Greetings, Audacity enjoyers, and welcome to this fun video. I'm going to teach you to create square waves, sine waves, and sawtooth waves in Audacity! 'Cause I'm crazy like that. First, we're going to go with the square wave because I like it. Just get something to steal everything from. Blah! I'm gonna steal this part here. Roughly right here. Control copy. Delete that. Control paste. Then I'm going to change its pitch up by exactly 2. Actually, I'm not feeling that. Nah, we're gonna instead change the pitch down by 2. Because we're cool like that. Come on, work with me here. Copy that, paste that, select it all, mix and render. It just gets a bit iffy if you don't mix and render it. Mix and render. Then you want to change tempo. Change it to 1 second. Long because 4/4, you know. Control copy, paste, Control A, track, mix and render, Control redo. Control copy, Control paste. I messed up a bit here. I'm gonna fix that. Going to change tempo back to 1. Gets pretty cool pretty fast. Right, I did. Now, mix and render. This being the square wave, it's kind of fun. Change tempo, change it just to do 1. So that's half every time. Control copy, paste, mix and render. Control redo. Control copy, control paste, control all, mix and render, control redo. And I believe this is the last one. That's an amazing square wave, probably. Now we can get rid of it. We don't need it. What's next on the agenda? Sine wave, I guess. Let's go with that. Or I guess you could do Let's just yoink that. Make sure to get it at like the startish. Maybe just for time's sake, -5 pitch. Or amplify. Control copy, Control A, delete, Control paste, Control A, track, mix and render, effect, change tempo to 1. Yeah. It's pretty nice. Honestly. Pretty interesting. I've just been screwing around a lot. That's what allows me to create these. Pure and utter derangedness. Control copy, Control paste, Control A. Tracks, mix and render. Control redo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Control copy, control paste, control all. Tracks, mix, and render. Control redo. Ba-do-do-do-do-do. Control paste, control A, mix and render. Control redo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I don't really like this one, if I remember it correctly. I think it gets, like, really glitchy sounding. Either that or it's the Sawtooth Wave. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's this one that gets all glitchy the more you do it. Or at least it sounds glitchy. Nah, this one's sounding okay right now. Mix and render. Control redo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Pretty nice, honestly. Now we go on to Sawtooth. Ah! No, that won't work. Ah! I'll take this one. Control copy. Delete. Control paste. Effect. Fade in. Control copy. Control paste. 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 A. Tracks. Mix and render. Effect. Well, I guess we can save that for later. Control copy, control paste. A. Tracks. Mix and render. Effect. Pitch and tempo. Put it down to 1. Reminder, this is indeed the Sawtooth Wave. It's kind of silly. It's mostly just picking a place of upward momentum. And then, just futzing with it. Seems I forgot a bit of the thing with the tempo again. Memory is key, but I am not a memory. Therefore, yeah. Yeah, I think this one is the one that turns a bit glitchy. There we go. Now that one's got the setup to make it go back to 1 second. I don't know. Maybe they aren't as glitchy as I recall them being when I was first messing with them, but yeah. That's some waves! Fun thing you can also do. Change pitch. Learn something fun. 293.665. That is D for the pitch. D in the octave of 4. That doesn't sound too well. But anyway, that was my little video on all of that. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, consider liking, commenting, literally anything, doesn't matter, and subscribing. Also support me on Ko-Fi in the description because, yeah, it is a good place to support me. Bye!